Hello everyone, I am Navneet Singh Bindra and I have the privilege of heading Ingram Micro across the SAARC region.
Hi all, my name is Harish Ladda and I head Channel Sales. Thank you so much for joining us today.
It was a little over a year ago that many of you attended our Digital Transformation Summit at multiple locations across India, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. This year, I come to you via your computer screen or your mobile screen at your home or office or wherever you are working from. So much has changed in the span of last 1 year, and things which we once considered absolutely natural are today a distant memory. For example, meeting a group of people, shaking somebody's hand, or traveling over some distance to really attend a conference or a seminar. If year 2020 has taught us anything, it's that we should not take anything for granted. This year, we have seen virtually every aspect of our lives upended. Lockdowns have restricted movement of people and goods. Strong demand in many sectors have suddenly vanished. New consumption patterns have started to emerge, and business models have evolved very rapidly. Even when the pandemic is completely under control, which we hope is sooner rather than later, it is important for us to remember the lessons that 2020 has taught us. Foremost of which is, again, never to take anything for granted. This is a great opportunity for us right now to ask the question, what if?
All businesses exist to serve customers, but what if some of your customers change their buying process completely? Or worse, just stop buying? What if they need help in overcoming their own business challenges? That's where the role of IT partners becomes so much more important, because your customers look up to you to help them with sound advice and relevant recommendations. We have to think beyond just meeting what their stated needs are, and we have to create real value so that our customers continue to see us as trusted advisors. And the value you bring to the table is, of course, your experience, your visibility of the market, and your visibility of the technology trends. These are the insights that CIOs, CTOs are constantly looking forward to, and that is something only you can provide as a trusted partner with far more authenticity than any market research report can ever do, right? Bindra, can you suggest some tangible ways through which partners can provide these inputs to their customers?
Sure, Harish. And since we have a wide variety of partners in our audience, let me offer some ideas on how each one of you can address your segment of customers. For those of you who are in the enterprise technology space, the big opportunity I feel is in cybersecurity. As your mid-sized and large customers start the journey of scaling up their business by digitally engaging with the customers, they are confronted with the idea of how to secure their company information first as they open it up to the broader audience. And when they go to the market and try to address their problems in terms of what solutions to really take forward, they are confronted with a bewildering array of solutions and technologies. And this is probably where you can add most value. And you can leverage on our Cybersecurity Center of Excellence, where you will get all the help you need in creating some solutions, using help of our cybersecurity experts, and then testing those solutions before you go to your customers. Together, when we really go to the customers, we emerge stronger, and we are well placed to service the needs of these customers for their cybersecurity requirements much better than otherwise. For our commercial solution partners, the future of work and workspaces continues to be a strong theme. With more companies adopting work from home, some making this shift permanently, while others adopting a hybrid approach, there is really no size-fits-all solution here. And that's where, as commercial solutions partner, you can play a major role in advising customers what's best for them. And again, here, you can count on Ingram for help. We have created a lot of productized solutions which suit different segments of your customers. And if that's not enough, what we can do is we can co-create with you solutions which are really tailor-made for your commercial customers. And for the system integrator partners, the most obvious suggestion which I can offer is to really focus on the data center opportunity. Today, when the large customers are really looking at accelerating this digital journey, they are looking first and foremost at the data center, and they feel the need to really modernize the data center, to really upgrade it and move it to the cloud. This is especially important now because of the new regulations around data residency, which can be very difficult for customers to navigate. As an expert in this domain, you can advise your customers on what application to move to cloud, what application to keep on-prem, and where the elasticity should be in terms of moving a particular application to cloud or from cloud back to on-prem. Harish, anything else comes to your mind?
Thanks, Bindra. That's a truly comprehensive set of ideas. What I would like to add is not so much about what you can do for your customers, but why do we need to continue doing the same? What I mean by that is that we live in a world of distractions and noise. Every organization has a long list of IT projects that they want to execute. And these projects may cut across many, many functions like sales, marketing, back office, operations, HR, and many more. So the CIOs and the CTOs have to juggle all these requirements and decide on what to prioritize. They don't have the benefit of hindsight, but as their IT suppliers and advisors, you see what's happening around the world. For example, let's take RPA. Companies who have adopted RPA are seeing exponential growth in their efficiency, right? But it's entirely possible that some of your customers may not even have it on their IT roadmap. They may not even be considering it as an option. That's where you can help them by asking the right question, asking them, why is RPA not on your roadmap? You have the opportunity to guide your customers on solutions that are force multipliers and deliver solid business outcomes that reflect on their balance sheet, right? No matter what your area of specialization is, right? You have the opportunity to help your customers and be a catalyst in triggering their change.
And who do you turn to when you need guidance? I trust the answer is Ingram Micro. And if it isn't so, we are committed to working harder than ever before to make it so. Ingram Micro has been operating in India since 1996. And with support of all of you on this call and many of you who are not on this call, we are really humbled to be the largest technology solution aggregator and the distributor, both in India and across the world. Harish, would you like to share with our partner community some of the key initiatives that you are working on?
Sure. Here are some 5 initiatives that the organization has been driving with tremendous amount of success, right? The first one is, of course, around solution selling. When your end customers demand outcomes from their IT spend, we need to combine products and services into solutions that fit into their business plans, right? A very good example of this is, of course, IoT. IoT has been a buzzword for quite some time, but it's only in the last year or so that we are seeing the emergence of well-defined solutions that seamlessly combine hardware, software, applications, and services to deliver integrated solutions that customers can easily incorporate into their business workflows. Our IoT division offers over 50 different solutions across multiple industries, ranging from logistics and transportation to industrial IoT to COVID-19 readiness as offices and commercial spaces try to operate safely. What we have seen on an average is that resellers who take solutions to their customers have a 2x, 3x amount of profitability, and of course far greater customer serious stickiness, and follows them up with a lot of repeat orders. And as the world's leading aggregator of solutions, Ingram Micro gives you access to the widest portfolio of solutions across all lines of business. The next initiative is especially relevant for our partners who are focused on delivering endpoint solutions, which could be laptops, desktops, printers, consumables, power solutions, and so on, right? For them, we have defined several opportunities to offer bundles or to create bundles at different price points depending on the customer segment that they are addressing, right? For example, we have a number of brands across multiple product categories that can be easily combined to offer work from home solutions. You could combine categories like laptops, headsets, maybe an inkjet printer, maybe an extra monitor if someone likes to have 2 screens. If you are based in some other city which may not have continuous power, provide power backup, and of course software like Windows, Office, and antivirus to kind of protect your laptops, right, and your work. We are continuously adding more vendors in this space so as to our portfolio so that you can offer more choices to your customers, right? And to make life easier, to transact, right, for our core distribution partners who are focused on stock and sell products, right? We have just now launched about a couple of months ago a world-class B2B e-commerce portal, right? This portal puts you completely in charge of your business with Ingram Micro. Of course, like any online portal, you can place orders 24/7. You can view your account statements. You can check your order status irrespective of whether it was placed through IM Ecom or whether it was placed on an offline basis, right? And of course, there's a lot more other things that you can do online. We've started with our leading mobility vendors, right, and got those set of partners to actually first use the IM Ecom portal and are very, very encouraged by the phenomenal response. In these times, of course, liquidity is tight, and all of us need a financially strong partner who can help us continue our business efficiently and also help serve customers without worrying constantly about liquidity, right? That's where our next initiative, Ingram Micro Financial Solutions, comes in. We have spoken to many of you over the last 6 to 7 months on what IMFS can offer. It offers a long-term financing option for your customers, and it of course frees up your credit lines and enables you to do more business with us, right? While channel financing has always been one of our key strengths, right, over many years, IMFS has a compelling proposition, right, for our partners and for customers as well, right? And let me kind of bring in an example here, right? There's a school in Bangalore with a large order of laptops, right? And they suddenly needed to buy these laptops to meet the teach from home requirements for their teachers and for their staff and for their faculties, right? And they, of course, they did not have it in the budget, right? So one of our partners who was involved with that school, Compass IT Solutions from Bangalore, actually talked to us, and through IMFS, right, we were able to stitch through a solution which worked for the partner and for the customer as well, right? And because of that, they were able to move forward with a project that they otherwise may not have been able to, right, if they had to invest the entire sum as capex, right? And like I said, this is just one example. There are quite a few funding opportunities which we have kind of captured or executed along with our partners, even in spaces like endpoint security, etc. And we continue to see a lot of interest from partners, right? My view back to all of you is that if you see any of your customers who are deferring their IT projects due to liquidity constraints, right, please reach out to us, correct? And we'll be happy to explore how the entire project cost can be structured, maybe into a long-term lease or a long-term financing agreement using Ingram Micro Financial Solutions or IMFS, right? Those are kind of the 4 initiatives. And finally, the last is actually around continuing to help you provide a great customer experience and to also generate demand from your existing customers through our digital engagement tools, right? The go-to-market hub was launched about a year ago in our cloud marketplace. Absolutely feature-rich email automation, digital marketing tools, and it's provided to all our partners absolutely free of cost, right? What this tool does is that it helps you send emails, run social campaigns, create content. You could create your own content by leveraging the assets provided by the vendors and which are kind of updated on this platform, right? And we are seeing the adoption by some partners like Buy on Cloud to engage with their customers digitally, right? I'm sure all of you also receive our monthly Cloud Forecast newsletter where you can find more details on activating the go-to-market hub for your organization, right? And I encourage all of you to make use of this world-class digital engagement platform to connect with your customers. So with all this, right, wow, strong 5 initiatives, right, we are confident that Ingram Micro should continue to be top of your mind when you need to help achieve accelerated growth, and not only just accelerated growth, but sustainable and profitable business growth.
And remember, we are in this together. So you too need to adopt this mindset that we can win together. Like Gandhiji once said, be the change that you want to see in the world. So while your customers are embarking on digital transformation, you too need to embrace an organizational and cultural transformation. Here are 3 specific aspects of the transformation which we must all commit to. Firstly, It's just not about putting customers first. It's not just about KYC of customers. We really need to understand at a deeper level what our customers are doing today, what are the challenges they are facing, what are the opportunities they are seeing in the market. We also need to go a step further and understand what is the industry they are operating in, how that industry is likely to change, and what are their challenges and their opportunities of tomorrow. Only then we will be able to be a true partner in their digital transformation journey. And at Ingram, we have invested in our own capabilities to help you as partners in this area. Our data science and market research teams are constantly monitoring the best performing industries, and we are providing these insights to you through our business insight reports. For instance, we have seen sustained demand for BFSI and the services sector and the government sector is really resurgent. Our demand gen and business development teams are working to help you acquire new customers, but delivering qualified opportunities to you in this area. The next transformation which you must commit to is that of learning. One of the risks of rapidly evolving technology landscape is that we do not invest in staying current. We do not invest in really the cutting edge technologies. We run the risk of being obsolete. And it's not only technology obsolescence. The business models are changing. The way the customers are buying are changing. And we need to be constantly learning these new ways, and we need to be continuously investing in these learnings, both in terms of upskilling our teams as well as really uplifting our organizations. Ingram Micro can provide technology training from many of the leading OEMs, and we can provide a lot of consultancy services to you to transform your business models.
Great pointers, Bindra. And really for all our partners, I really hope each one of you reflects upon where your organization is in these areas of transformation. It is so easy to get caught up in business as usual challenges of order loading, negotiating discounts, and handling customer escalations. But we owe it to ourselves and our employees to lay the foundations of a strong business that evolves with the changing times.
In closing, I would like to borrow the old age saying, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. You own the relationships with the customers, and we have the best of breed solutions and the best of breed technologies to help you put those solutions together and take them to the customers. Together, we will emerge stronger. And herein lies your success, and herein lies our success. I thank you all for your time and being part of Ingram Micro. Thank you.